Hello everyone, Sudeep here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi option missing on the taskbar and settings on Windows 10 and 11. If you go through all the methods I have mentioned on this video, then one of the methods must fix your problem. So let's get started. Go to search menu and type services and open the services. On the services window, look for WLAN auto config option. Once you find it, look for its status. If it's on the running status, you don't have to do anything. But if its status is displayed as stopped, then right click on it and click on properties. On this window, go under the service status and click on start option. Also make sure that startup type is selected to automatic. After that, click on apply and click on OK. Once you do it, close all the windows and check if the Wi-Fi option is visible or not. If it did not work, then open the device manager. For that, simply go to search menu and type device manager and click on it from the search results. On the device manager window, look for network adapters option. Once you find it, just expand it and from the drop down menu, choose your Wi-Fi adapter. In my case, it is Intel, but in your case, it can be Realtek or Broadcom or something else. Once you find it, just right click on it and click on update driver. And on this window, click on browse my computer for drivers option. And here, click on let me pick from list of available drivers on my computer. On this window, try selecting other drivers and see if it works or not. If it still did not work for you, then uninstall and reinstall your Wi-Fi adapter. For that, simply go to search bar and type cmd and right click on command prompt and run it as administrator. On the command window, type netcfg space -d and hit enter. This command will uninstall the network adapters including your Wi-Fi adapter. Once it is done, exit the command prompt and restart your computer. Restarting your computer will reinstall all the network adapters including your Wi-Fi adapter. In case your command prompt showed error while running the above command, then you can also uninstall your Wi-Fi adapter from the device manager by simply right clicking on it and clicking on uninstall. Just make sure to restart your computer after uninstalling it. If uninstalling and reinstalling of Wi-Fi adapters still didn't work for you, then go to settings, click on network and internet and click on advanced network settings. On this window, click on network reset and click on reset now. After that, your computer will restart itself. After restart, check if the problem is solved or not. If it still did not work for you, then go to system configuration. For that, simply type system configuration on the search menu. On the system configuration window, click on services tab and tick all the boxes here. For that, simply click on enable all. After you done it, click apply and click OK. After that, restart your computer. I hope one of these methods has solved your problem. If this video was useful for you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.